In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change subscribe form button text in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account. Then next in the left panel, click on Forms. Then next beside the Create pop-up form button, click on this drop-down button and click on Sign Up Landing Page. So start by adding a name for your sign up landing page, then click on Continue to Builder. Now choose a template design you would like for your sign up page. And now once inside the design page, all you have to do is scroll through your design until you find the subscribe button you'd like to change. So simply click on the block. Then next in the right panel, scroll down until you see button text. Here you can directly change subscribe from the button and you can change it to like sign up now or join now or get updates depending on your preferred text. And once done, click on save and close. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!